So, no disturbance in classes, online digital lessons with HD quality transmissions, subject experts and experienced faculty. Unlike other app, we have our own teachers for assuring 100% quality education. If you too want our quality teachings are at your premises and institutions, not only SSC, but other various courses are in easy method covering state syllabus. We successfully taught at pre-examination period to government SSC students in COVID pandemic. We made grand success our online teachings at private colleges also. Why are you waiting? Just dial for online admissions. Rush and join in ABC Education Learning app.
This is Ramdas. I have an experience of 9 years. I am teaching to you mathematics in ABC Educational Learning app. Dear students, coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a work progress, and working together is a successful. To successful our ABC channel, please students to join in our ABC channel, dialing which are scrolling on the screen numbers. Okay students, in previous session what we have discussed, real number chapters. In real numbers, what are the main concepts? Euclid division lemma, to find LCM, HCF and fundamental theorem, to prove that irrational number and logarithm, the concept of logarithm, that which we are learned. Now in today's session we are going with new topic, that is sets. Okay, student, what is mean by set? Set is nothing but collection of object, grouping of object, collection or group of object. Set, already you know students, set theory, it is comparatively new concept in mathematics, and set theory was developed by George Cantor. Set theory was developed by George Cantor. Okay, it is a new concept in mathematics, and set theory was developed by George Cantor. Students, already you know, set. We say given statement it is set or not. We have one condition, that is common property. Okay, students, already we saw in library. In library, the books are arranged in subject wise manner according to subject, which we choose required subject quickly. Okay, and in chemistry we have different elements. The elements depends on property, then they can classified periods and groups. Okay, based on properties. In mathematics also we have together some common property, which is common property. Okay, so depends on this common property, we can say given statement it is set or not. Okay, then among such group or collection of objects we have different types of number. Already we learned what are the numbers, different type of numbers: natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational number and irrational numbers. Okay, in number system we have discussed already these different types of numbers: natural, whole, integer and rational, irrational numbers. Okay, then these all numbers have common property. Already know, natural is nothing but start from 1, 2, 3 so on. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 so on. Integer, the numbers which are negative, 0 and positive number. Cube, rational number which is in the form of p by q, q not equal to 0. Irrational, which are not perfect square under root. These are different types of numbers have common property. Okay, now what is mean by set and how to understand the concept of set. Okay, set is nothing but collection of object, or set definition is collection of object, well defined a well defined collection of objects. Okay, definition of set: a well defined collection of object. What is mean by well defined? Well defined is nothing but all the objects in set, all the objects in set should have common property. Okay, student, definition of set: a well defined collection of objects. Okay, what is mean by well defined? All the objects in a set should have common property. For example, first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime numbers. Okay, then what are the first 5 prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are, okay, all the objects have common property. What is the property here? What is the common statement? Prime numbers. Okay, then it is a set. Student, in set, okay, clear about the definition? A set A well-defined collection of object is known as a set. What is mean by well-defined? Well-defined is nothing but all the objects in a set should have common property, right? First five prime numbers, it is a set. Okay, for suppose collection of set of smart boys, it is a set? No, it is not set. Why? Here no common property. Set of smart boys. Smart, it is a word, relative term. It is not a set. Here no common property is there. Okay. Then to clearly understand set, we have three conditions. Okay. How to notate set and what are the elements and objects in a set. Okay. First, clear what is the definition? A well-defined collection of objects is known as set. Well-defined is nothing but all the objects in a set should have common property. Okay, students. Then in set, first one, notation of set. Notation of set is, already you know students, curly bracket, right? In exam you have to write very clearly. Don't write like this, don't write like this. Okay, it is curly bracket. Notation of set is within curly bracket or flower bracket. Curly bracket or flower bracket, right? And one more, in set is denoted by capital letters. Okay, A, B, C, like this. Okay, notation of set is curly bracket or flower bracket, and set is denoted by capital letters A, comma B, comma C, P, Q, R, S. You can take any variable. And one more, in set we have objects. Then each object is called element. Each object is called element. Okay. And one more, in set every element is separated by commas. Already know comma. For example, okay, is it clear, student? What is the definition of set? A well-defined collection of object. Well-defined is nothing but object should have a common property. And notation of set in braces of curly bracket. Set is denoted by capital letters. In objects are denoted by small letters. Objects are denoted by small letter. Okay, and in set every object is called element. For example, take one example. Suppose set A, P comma Q comma R. Observe student here, A is set. Set is denoted by capital letter. A is a set. Okay, and what is the notation of set? Curly bracket. We use here curly bracket. And PQR, what are the PQR? Elements, right? Elements in a set. And each and every element separated by using commas. Separated by commas. P comma Q comma R. Okay. And one more condition in set. in set, observe student, in set we will consider or take repeated element. We will consider repeated elements in a set only once. Okay? For example, take MADAM, madam. Then write in set form. Suppose set B. B is equal, okay, curly bracket, then M comma A comma D. Enough. Okay. Here, which are the repeated elements? M and A. Right? Then it is set. Set B is equal M comma A comma D. We will consider repeated elements in a set only once. Right? It is a set. Observe student, set can be denoted by capital letters and elements small letter. Notation of set, curly bracket. Every element separated by commas. Every element separated by commas. Okay. Now see some of examples which is set, which is not set. Which is set. Okay. First one, natural numbers. Natural numbers less than 10. Natural number less than 10. Less than 10 is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Then this statement contain one common property, so it is a set. Second one, 5 is a even number. 5 is a even number. It is set? No. 5 is even? No. 5 is odd number. Then it has no common property. Third one, in a team. In a team, already know students, in a cricket team, total players 11. In a team, best batsmen are 11. Is it correct statement? Suppose consider a team. In a team, batsmen, fielders, keeper. Right. Then here, what is the condition? Best batsmen are 11. Suppose 11 batsmen are best batsmen. Then what about the remaining? Fielders, keepers. So it is a set? No. Right? First suppose, in your class, all boys are smart. All boys are smart. Is it clear? Is it right? No. It is a not set. Okay. First suppose, in your class, set of all girls. In your class, set of all girls. Is it right? Yes. Then it is a set. Okay. Clear student? First suppose, natural numbers. Natural numbers. It is a set? No. We should keep here one common property. Right? Then it is not set. We give some condition, less than or greater than. Is it clear? Which is set, which is not set. Suppose, take one more example. In a year, all months contain 31 days. It is a set. 31 days. It is a set? No. In a year, some months contain 30 days, some months 31 days, except February. Okay? Then, is it clear, students? Which is set, which is not set? In the topic set, we should learn some of the mathematical symbols. See, what are the mathematical symbols in this topic? Already know, students? Mathematical symbol. Okay. Already know. What is this? Equal. Equal to. Okay. What is this? Not equal to. Okay. Then it is belongs to. Not belongs to. Okay. Equivalent. It is very important. The symbol mu. Okay. Union or cup of. Intersection or cap of. Next, pi. Okay, equal to, not equal to, belongs to, does not belongs to, equivalent, mu, union, intersection and pi. These are we use in the topic of sets. Okay, let's see how to use these symbols in set topic. And flower bracket also. Okay. In set topic, already know, students, how to represent set and what is the notation, and denoted by capital letters, and each and every element separated by comma. Okay. Then representation of set. Already you know set is nothing but collection of object. Then how to represent in form of set? Then set can be representation of set. We have two methods. First one, roster form. Second one, set builder form. Roster form and set builder form. To represent a of set, we have two methods, roster form and set builder form. First, see roster form. What is mean by roster? Already you know, student. Suppose you can apply any job, then they can put on the wall one roster. Roster is nothing but list. Okay. Then what is the roster form? Is nothing but roster form is also known as list form. Okay, list form or tabular form. Okay, roster form, list or tabular form means in set we are listing the elements to write in the form of roster. That is roster form. Okay, we are listing the elements, so we can say the set is in the form of roster form. Okay, listing elements. Okay, For example, X is letter of English alphabet. X is letter of English word, that is mathematics. Okay. X is letter of English word, that is mathematics. Okay. Then we can write in the form of roster. Suppose take set P. Set P. Already know, students, how to denote set form? Set P, open curly bracket, mathematics. Already you know. Every elements denoted by small letters. Then you can write here M is repeated, A also repeated, T also repeated, right? And one more, right? Then you can write in set form, set P is equal M comma A comma T comma H comma E comma I comma C comma S. Okay, right? Roster is nothing but when we are listing elements to written in the form of set, that is roster form. For example, X is letter of English word, that is mathematics. Then in set form P, M comma A comma, this is the roster form. Is it clear, students? In roster form, already know every element separated by commas. Okay, it is roster form. Then what is mean by set builder form? Set builder form, it is also known as rule method. It is also known as rule method. In set builder form, when we write the elements which use common property, right? In set builder form, we use common property. For example, set builder form also known as rule method. When we writing elements by using common property. For example, X is a word which is X is a word principal, right? Then how to notate in set builder form? Take any set B is equal X such that X is a English word, that is principal. Okay, X is a English word, that is principal. It is set builder form. Take one more example. For suppose a set contain 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Right, students, set A contain different elements 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then set A is in the which form? Roster or set builder? It is roster form, right? Roster form. Then write in set builder form. How to write into set builder form? You can write set A, right? Observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers? It belongs to natural number. Then you can write X is such that X is natural number. X is natural. Or you can write X belongs to N. What is the condition? X belongs to N and X less than 6. You can write X less than 6. It is set builder form. Is it clear, student? Very simple. Okay. Roster is nothing but when we write elements in list form, and set builder is nothing but we use here common property. What is the property here? Natural number less than 6. Natural number less than 6. Or you can write here less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. Or you can write less than 6. Right. Then, okay students, roster and set builder. Roster form also known as tabular form or list form. Set builder, rule method. In roster form, we are listing the elements in a set. Then we can say that is roster form. In set builder form, we can writing elements by using common property. So we can say that is in set builder form. Set builder form also known as rule method. Is it clear students? Now see, convert roster to set builder and set builder to roster form. In a set, how to convert roster form to set builder and set builder to roster form. Okay, very important in your public exam for short answer type question. Okay student? Okay, then first one you can write, for suppose set A contain 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 comma 1 by 4. Right, it is a roster form. Then how to convert roster into set builder form? Okay, how to convert roster into set builder form? Okay, then how to convert set builder form? Set A is equal, how to convert roster? It is a roster form in set builder form. Observe students, x such that x is, see here 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 means x is equal 1 by n, where n belongs to n and n less than 1, 2, 3, 4, n less than 5. It is roster form, it is set builder form. Roster, set builder. Okay, it is roster form, it is set builder form. Then take roster to set builder to roster form. Okay, take one more example. Suppose set B contain B comma E comma T comma R. It is in roster form. Set B contain B comma E comma T comma R. Then how to convert in set builder form? Set B is equal x such that x is a, right, what is the word? X is a word. What is that? B E T T E R, better. Okay, already know what is the condition? In set we will consider repeated element only once. For suppose take one more example. We have to convert roster to set builder form. Roster to set builder form. Set C contain, suppose 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16. It is very important student. Set C contain 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16. Then how to convert in set builder form? Set C x such that x. Observe students, what is here? Given numbers are perfect square numbers. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. X such that x is equal n square and n belongs to n. What is the condition? 1, 2, 3, 4 and n less than 5, or you can write here n less than or equal 4, right? It is roster, it is set builder. Very simple. when given statement in roster form, then we have to convert into set builder. Suppose given statement in set builder, we have to convert into roster form. Is it clear, student? Take one more example. Set D 2, 3, 5. Right. Observe, students, what are the 2, 3, 5? Prime numbers. Then you can, very simple, set D contain x such that x is a prime number. What is the condition here? Prime number less than 1, 2, 3. Less than 3. Right? It is roster, it is set builder. Is it clear, student? Very simple. When in any given exam, roster form, then we have to convert into set builder. Very simple. For observe here, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 by n. For suppose, put here n is equal to 1. We get first number. That's why here condition n belongs to natural number. Means natural start from 1. So you can put in place of n 1, then we get first number. Suppose n is equal to, we get 1 by 2. N is equal to 3, we get 1 by 3. N is equal to 4, we get 1 by 4. That's why here condition n belongs to capital N, natural number, and n less than 5. N less than 5 is nothing but 4. Okay. Similarly, set B, B, E, comma, B, comma, E, comma, T, comma, R. Then what is the set builder form? X is a word that is better. Observe here, E, T, E and T are repeated elements. E and T are repeated elements. 1, 4, 9, 16. Observe here, x is equal to n square. Suppose, for example, n is equal to 1. We get first number. 1 square, 1. N is equal to 2. 2 square, 4. N is equal to 3. 3 square, 9. N is equal to 4. 4 square, 16. Is it clear, students? Okay. Then, how to convert in set form roster to set builder and set builder to roster form. Is it clear, students? Very simple. Next one, put symbol belongs to, not belongs to. Okay. For suppose, set A contain 1, 2, 3. Set B contain 4, 5. And set C contain P, Q, R. For suppose, observe here, set A dash, here P. Set B dash 4. Set C dash 3. Okay. Set A dash 2. Set B dash R. Set C dash 5. Then just in place of fill in the blanks, put belongs to or does not belongs to. Observe, student, set A. In set A, element P is there? No. In P is in set C. So here does not belongs to. Set B 4, okay, belongs to. Set C, right, observe here, in set C contain P, Q, R, but here 1, 2, 3, okay, then it is also does not. A belongs to 2, yes, it is A belongs to 2, B belongs to R, right, and C belongs to 5, it is also does not. Okay, students, these are how to convert roster to set builder and set builder to roster form. Okay. next session we will discuss what are the different types of sets, right? Until then, bye. Dear students, don't forget to dialing which are given number on the scrolling on the screen. Okay students, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. To success our ABC educational channel, please join with us. Thank you.